Hey there, I'm Dr. Robert Floyd, a board-certified MD specializing in functional medicine, and today I'm here with Zanya. Did you know that by the time you hit 40, there is a 9 in 10 chance that your vision has already started to fade? It gets worse because you're getting older. But age is not the only reason. You're losing vision because something inside your eyes is slowly declining. Something that is needed to protect your retina. Something that your eye depends on for color, vision, and sharp focus. And when that protective pigment weakens, your eyesight weakens along with it. But there's one ancient food that has been used for centuries as a natural way to improve vision. Even modern research suggests it can help increase key protective pigments in the eye. It is a small red berry used traditionally for eye health for centuries. So what exactly is this berry? How does it protect your eyes? Is it rare or something that you could easily add to your diet? Well, let's break it all down in today's video. Vision decline has become so common that most people assume that it's just a normal part of aging. But the numbers tell a different story. By age 40, almost 90% of adults show measurable drops in near focus strength, genetics, or bad habits. In fact, it's a biological shift inside the eye itself. What's really happening is that your retina is losing its natural antioxidant shield. Let's try to understand it a bit better, shall we? At the very center of your retina is a tiny spot responsible for everything you see with sharpness and detail. Reading text, recognizing faces, seeing colors vividly, all of that depends on that spot. It's the essential part of your eye that processes what you see directly in front of you. That tiny spot is the macula. It contains a yellow pigment called macular pigment, which is made of carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. You need this pigment for sharp vision and to protect the retina from harmful blue and UV light. It works like natural sunglasses. It filters blue light and protects photoreceptors. But you're damaging this pigment yourself, mainly because of your modern lifestyle. Adults spend 7 to 10 hours a day staring at screens, all of which flood the retina with blue light. Indoor lighting adds even more artificial wavelengths the human eye was never built to handle. Pollution brings in free radicals that damage the delicate eye tissue. Processed foods provide almost no carotenoids. Stress and poor sleep drain antioxidants even faster. All of this is simply damaging the macular pigment. This is why protecting your vision isn't just about age, it's about keeping your macular pigment strong. When you rebuild your pigment layer, you increase your ability to see clearly. But how do you actually protect this pigment? Is there a specific food you should consume, or is it just about changing your diet? No, you don't need expensive procedures to support this pigment. All you need is a nutrient that sits right in the center of your retina. It's the exact nutrient you need to improve vision. It's called zeaxanthin. It absorbs blue light at its most damaging wavelength and acts like a built-in filter. It's one of the only nutrients proven to directly increase macular pigment optical density. Just 2 to 3 milligrams of zeaxanthin per day has been shown to improve visual performance markers. But the average person barely consumes any zeaxanthin at all. Most Western diets provide less than 1 milligram of zeaxanthin per day. That is far below what your retina needs to stay protected. Most of the foods people eat regularly, grains, meat, dairy, contain almost no zeaxanthin at all. Even vegetables that are known for carotenoids, like spinach and broccoli, contain more lutein than zeaxanthin. Even if you think you're eating healthy, your retina is likely still undernourished. You need foods that are specifically concentrated in this pigment to make a real difference. Which brings us to the solution that ancient healers discovered over 2,000 years ago. A solution that's been hiding in plain sight for centuries. A small red berry that naturally delivers zeaxanthin in one of the most bioavailable forms your body can absorb. Chinese monks have used it to improve eye health and increase the density of macular pigment. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to improve overall vision. Anyone can access it, and it costs less than 15 bucks. That berry is the goji berry. More than 2,000 years ago, Chinese monks and scholars used these small red berries to maintain sharp vision during long hours of reading and meditation. Ancient medical texts describe them as the berry that brightens the eyes, a title that now makes sense in modern science. Goji berries contain some of the highest natural levels of zeaxanthin esters, a form that your body absorbs extremely well. In other words, they deliver exactly the pigment your retina needs in a form that your eyes can actually use. Modern research confirms what ancient healers already knew. In one clinical study, adults who ate goji berries 5 times a week for 90 days showed a measurable increase in their macular pigment density. Their eyes became better protected against blue light, and their retinal antioxidant levels improved. This is significant because macular pigment density is one of the strongest biomarkers for long-term vision health. When the pigment layer thickens, your eyes can filter more blue light. They can recover faster from glare and stay clearer under daily stress. Goji berries also support the eyes beyond pigment. They are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals produced by screen exposure, pollution, and UV light. They help protect photoreceptors, the cells responsible for converting light into vision. And because goji berries contain nutrients that support both blood flow and cellular energy, they help the retina stay nourished throughout the day. All of this makes goji berries a true vision superfood. They deliver the exact pigment your macula depends on. They support retinal antioxidants and strengthen your natural eye defenses. Now, goji berries are a strong option and they are easy to add to your routine. Many people still struggle to get consistent intake of the full range of nutrients that actually support retinal protection, especially if they want something simple and measured. That is why we created Restore Vision. It is a comprehensive formula built on thousands of years of traditional wisdom, validated by modern clinical research. It contains patented forms of the most critical ingredients, something generic supplements simply don't offer. These are not basic carotenoids that you can find anywhere. They are clinically validated, patented compounds like Glutamax, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which have all been studied extensively for their ability to increase macular pigment density and support long-term eye health. It also includes Myrto Select bilberry extract, a patented form that supports microcirculation in your eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your retina exactly when it needs them most. But the formula doesn't stop there. It also contains goji berries, working alongside maki berry and additional bilberry extracts. Then there's alpha lipoic acid, a powerful multitasking antioxidant that neutralizes oxidative stress in both water-based and fat-based eye tissue. Most antioxidants can only work in one or the other, but alpha lipoic acid does both. These 7 ingredients create a compounding effect. The carotenoids filter blue light and increase your macular pigment. The berry extracts flood your eyes with protective antioxidants. The bilberry improves circulation so nutrients actually reach where they're needed. And alpha lipoic acid ties it all together by protecting every type of tissue in your eye. Now you know what you need to do to improve your vision. Whether you start by adding goji berries to your diet, increasing your zeaxanthin intake, or exploring a complete formula that brings these nutrients together, you now have the information to take the next step. If you want a simple way to nourish your eyes with all 7 vision supporting nutrients in one place, you can visit Zonya and learn more about our Restore Vision formula. It's time to choose the right next step for you.